Okay, guys. So we're here playing Teardown with T-Rexanons, and we're gonna try to play. So let's do this. Okay, raise. Oh no, I think they're already in. This is bad. They're getting in. Oh no, they're fighting. Okay, that's good. They're fighting to get in. Oh jeez, what is going on? I think one just died. Are they dead? Oh no, they're not dead. That's for sure. Raise it. I don't think we even have it anymore. I don't even think we have the gates anymore. I think they're all destroyed by the T-Rexes. They're back for more, but what are we supposed to do? Well, what am I supposed to do? I'm alone here. And my peasants left me. Stupid door! Whatever. We can make a trap for them. Yes, that can work, kind of, right? I don't know. Oh no, they're getting in. Raise! Hey, you dumb T-Rex! Better get out of here. Oh, that one's falling. Well, that was easy. Boom. Why are they just falling out of the sky? That's not good. Can we even be protected by this? I mean, like, look at it. Hey, T-Rexes. Get out of here. Oh, what's down there? Oh no, they're getting inside. Get out of here. They're climbing up here. Oh my God. Are they inside? I think so. Oh wow, there's a head. They just knocked the gate off. I'll just throw the gate at them. Get out of here, you little. Let me inside. How do I? Oh no. Just come on, just let me out of here. This is a bad idea. Oh no, can the bucket work? Okay, the bucket can work. I can get on the bucket. Oh wait, the floor is right there. Okay, what are we supposed to do? What am I supposed to do again? I got rid of the... Oh, there's T-Rexes. There's T-Rex. Ow! Oh! There's debris falling down of T-Rex. Can I get this? This is really bad. Oh, what am I supposed to do without anything? I have nothing. There's T-Rexes above me. Oh! Oh, my head! Oh. Let's see if I can just... I think I can just climb up this... Why am I climbing so fast. Oh my God. Oh. Die! Decapitate you, decapitate. Oh no! Ah! Get me out of here. I'm out of here. He's falling down. Is he alive? Whoa. Okay, I don't care if he's alive or not. Oh, there's T-Rexes down here. There's even decapitated T-Rexes. What the heck? Oh, that's alive. Oh, you're about to not be alive. How are you alive? Apparently, if you don't have a body, then you're dead. But if you have a body fully and you don't have a head, you're still alive. Okay, I need out of here. I need to get out of here. We're going to a different map. Because all those T-Rexes destroyed the castle. You know what we should do? We should go back into the map. And we should close the gate. I don't know which way of making. I'm just gonna click on both and see what happens. Look at how smooth it is until I spawn in the T-Rex. Yeah, I think that's... Yeah, it's the wrong one. How do I close the gate? I don't want to just close. How do you close the gate? I mean, is there two gates? Okay, it's probably just one. Yeah, it's just one. Well, now we can spawn in the one and only, the two T-Rexes. The two only T-Rexes. Okay, he's already getting into the castle. Well, can he make it through the gate? Probably. That's what I'm thinking he can. I mean, he hasn't so far. He's been out there doing something. I'm gonna go up. I'm gonna get through here. They're trying to get through this gate. Oh, well, they can get through the concrete. I totally forgot about that. Oh no, okay, they're not getting through the concrete. I changed my mind. I'm going up. And I'm shutting this, and I'm going through. I'm going through. I share little hen money. Little bunny, come here. Come here, little guy. Come here, little guy. Huh? Oh, 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 oh my God, oh my God. 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 Get out of here. No, my castle's on fire. Okay. We gotta live here forever. I cannot leave my castle. My castle's the only thing that I can use. And the castle's my home. Okay, it's fiery back here. You know, I could probably stay back here. No, never mind. There's actually holes, but... We could keep this as gold, so then it would, like, keep the monsters away. Okay, there you go, there you go, there you go. We can make these gold. You can make this gold, this. Just make these walls gold. And that door so nice. Oh no, it's falling. It's a falling wall. Just in case I have an escape route. Yes. Let's get back in here. Okay, so now we can just wait for the actually. I need something better than this. Let's see. Oh, C4. That's cool. Mandals. Infinite plank. Okay, there you go. Let's just get it over here. I'm sure the wall can hold them up. Let's stop them from moving before they break. Yeah, they're still breaking. Well, let's just block this part up. That is so breaking in a minute. Well, if it does, then what are we supposed to do? I don't know. Yep, that's just how we're gonna do it. Okay, let's just spawn in. I didn't realize this. hideout. Okay, we're in our hideout. Oh, and I hear a dinosaur. I hear a tiny. Where are you, little tiny? He's so getting through this. I'm just gonna wait and see if he ever wants to come through. Because I know he will. Let's just block these. And let's just... Sounds like he's coming from over here, so let's just block this up. So, yeah. I am... Sound like I'm not scared, but I am so scared right now. Okay. We got this. Why am I planking the table? So I can stand on it without it breaking on me. Like the table rules does. Okay, so he hasn't seen me yet. Well, I haven't seen him. He probably smells me. He probably smells my little meats. Where'd he just die from? And then he died from... He died from oh, what is that thing? How does he know where I am? Oh, I'm out of here! What is that thing? How does it know where I am? He thinks I'm in a castle still. Okay, that's good. Okay. I'm out of here. Okay. Let's see, guys. Miniature World. Let's just subscribe to this and then let's just click on play. I don't want you. So yeah. Okay, let's just pretend like we're here. Oh, okay. Okay, I think I got away. Oh, okay. I don't care. I'm just going through. Oh, I usually already get stuck in this town. Okay, Carl, you're just gonna have to get better at going through stuff. Okay, this way, then we can go through here. Then we can get through the bridge. I'm sorry if there's any live miniature people in this place because I'm trying to get through here without dying because there's going to be monsters in here. So, yeah, I'm just trying to get through. Okay. I'm sorry, I'm going to have to plant C4s. I'm gonna have to plant C4s everywhere, guys. I'm sorry, this is gonna explode your thing, but it's gonna explode these guys, this people's city. But I don't care. I'm trying to save the world. My world. Okay. Oh, there's a dog statue. That's a little cutie. Wait, what's that sound? Oh no! He's here. Okay, we need to lead him to the city. Why is he? Well, I mean, it's a T-Rex. Good. Even though that's bad for this city. Okay, get on in here. Okay, now run. Just run. Just run. Just run. Just run. I'm sorry, airplane. Run, airplane. I'm gonna have to pick you up. Airplane, just go. Just run. Just run, airplane. It's not going. Run. Okay, I just need to remember where my explosion thingy and my C4s are. Oh, jeez. Ah, he's breaking through the city. Okay, where are my C4s? No, 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 no. I already lost them. Oh, that's great. Where are the C4s? C4s, where are you? I need to know where you C4s are. C4s, where are you? C4s, I kind of need you. I'm just gonna have to plant new ones as well. I don't know where these dang C4s are. There's a lot of C4s in this town, but I can't find mine. Oh, well, I'm just going to place some on him as well, so he gets exploded even more. And I'm just going... I'm sorry, town! Did my game just crash? Please don't tell me it crashed. I literally had one more. I had one less than 300. I have 299. Well, my game definitely just crashed. I can still hear it. Well, I can hear glass break and I just heard an explosion. Oh, hear more glass breaking. I hear breaking. Now I hear nothing. And my game crashed. Okay, that's fun. You know, I'm just gonna end the video here, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe. I have a oh man. I am going to post more different games, not just FNAF, but I still will post FNAF. Like, probably next video will be FNAF. See you guys in the next video. Peace.